Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today I'm going to be unboxing Glam Treasure Box. This is my first time trying Glam Treasure Box. So it came in this packaging. I'll quickly unbox it and show you guys everything. So I've tried sugar bars previously. Apart from that, I haven't tried any lifestyle subscription boxes. And I'm pretty excited to try Glam Treasure. And it's, as I mentioned, it's my first time trying this, and I have seen a couple of videos from previous months and I think they have pretty amazing products. It's about 1400 something. I'll leave the exact price here, and this was sent for review, but I feel like they include quite a lot of products for that price, so I'm pretty excited to try this one. Here's the information card with all the details as to what is included in the box, and this is how it looks. Let's dig in. So this was the cover of it, and it's a pretty huge box. It's quite heavy. So let's dig in. Firstly, there's this top, and I ordered this in the size XXL, and let's see how this top actually fits. I think this is not XXL. I think this would fit a person who wears large usually. I think maybe not even XL. I'm not really sure, but however here it says double XL. I don't think I will try this. I'll keep this for one of you guys because I don't think this will fit me. But yeah, it's such a beautiful top. It's an off-shoulder top with this frill and a ruffle sleeve. It's so pretty. The blush pink color or the peachy pink color is such a pretty color, and the material is also very soft and nice. The quality of this one is really good. And then because it's monsoon, they have this umbrella which has a very nice print to it. I'm not going to open it because I think yeah, but as you can see, this is the cover, and then we have the umbrella here, and I think this is a very beautiful print and perfect pop of color for this monsoons when everything else is dull. And then they have two accessories, and let me just open this up. They have these really beautiful earrings, and they'll actually go well with my dress. I guess they'll go really well with this one as well if you're not looking for contrast. This is actually very pretty. However, the fixing, the gum and all is little bit showing. It's showing a little bit of the crystals which were fixed and everything. But apart from that, they look very beautiful, and I don't think they will come off, just that the gum is showing. And next up we have an accessory piece again. This is a neck piece, and it has a very beautiful tassel detailing. Since tassels are in, this is actually quite a nice piece, and it's a very beautiful green color. This will go with a lot of colors. I think this will look great with like white or black, and of course many other colors. And we have two more products left, and this is a tote bag which I'm pretty excited about, because bags themselves cost like 800 or 1000 rupees, or at least 600. A tote bag would at least cost 600 during even sale, right? The total cost of this one is like around 1400, and they've included a tote bag which I'm pretty excited about. So the quality seems nice, and it has this really cute pom-pom here, or a fur ball keychain, and inside this is how it looks, and this one is like metallic, and metallics are actually making their comeback. And it has like a nice pocket here, and has a zipper as well. This is actually pretty convenient, and this is waterproof, which is the best part, so it makes for a very good bag during monsoons. And the last product that we have here, I think, is a shower gel. It is Oriflame Love Nature Exfoliating Shower Gel in the flavor Strawberry and Lime. It's actually pretty big. The shower gel is of 250 ml, and I really like fruit fragrances. It smells quite fruity. Feel like this smells like some citrusy fruit. It's actually pretty good. I'm very excited about this. This has to be my favorite in the entire box. I think this is a pretty cool box. You get a number of items. You get two accessories, one bag, one top, one umbrella, and that's actually quite a lot of products. That's actually 6 products, which is pretty cool. As per the top, I think this won't fit me, but I think in general the material and the quality of it is really good. The quality of the bag is also really good. So I would say that the bag, umbrella, and the top and this are amazing. The accessories are pretty cool too, especially this one, but they're a little different for my choice. I don't wear such big studs, and this one also has like a lot of stones going on. I might wear this, I'm not really sure. but I think overall the quality of the box is quite nice. So if you're looking to try a lifestyle subscription box, then this is something you can definitely check out. In case you're interested in purchasing, I'll leave the link here in the description box and you can click on the link and go order one for yourself. I hope this was a fun unboxing video. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to try any other subscription boxes, or if you'd like me to continue trying Glam Treasure, or if you have any other video ideas as well, leave them in the comment section below and I'll definitely get to that. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know which one's your favorite. The shower gel has to be my favorite. I'm totally a sucker for fruit flavored fragrances, mist, shower gels, lotions and everything, which I'm sure all of you guys know already. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also find me on all my social media handles so that you can stay updated with everything, and see you all in the next video. Bye!